So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure the angle ACH is 30 degree and angle BCH is 45 degree. So this is the angle ACH and it is 30 degree, and this is the angle BCH which is 45 degree. Angle CAD is equal to the angle HAD. So this is the angle CAD and it is equal to the angle HAD. Circumcircle of the triangle has a radius of 1 centimeter. So let's see, capital R is the circumcircle radius and it is 1 centimeter. So this is the circumcircle that passes through all the points of the triangle, and the radius of this circumcircle is 1 centimeter. Then we have to find the area of this BDH triangle, which is this blue area. So we have to find the area of this thing. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. In this figure, let's consider BH is equal to x. So let's consider this is equal to x. Then in the problem it is given that this angle ACH is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree given in the problem. Angle BCH is 45. So this angle is 45. We know this angle CHB is 90 degree. We know this angle is 90 degree. Angle CBH is 45, because this angle is 90 degree and the angle BCH is also 45. So this angle will be 45, because in the right angle triangle sum of all three angles are 180. So if this is 90 and this is given in the problem as 45, so the remaining angle is 45. So this angle CBH is 45. So from here we can say that this CBH is an isosceles triangle, because this angle and this angle are same. So this side is x, so this side it is also x. So this angle so this triangle CBH is an isosceles triangle. So if this is x, this is also x, and this angle is 45. So this angle is also 45. So now we know these things. So let's proceed further. So now you consider the angle ECH. So this angle is given in the problem as 30 degree. So this is AH and this side we know as X. So we can write tan 30 as AH divided by CH. AH value we can calculate as CH multiplied by tan 30. CH we calculated as equal to X, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So this is X by root 3. So AH value will come as X by root 3. So now we know this AH value as X by root 3, and now you see this angle is 90 degree. This angle we calculated as 45. This is 30 and this is 45. So what is this whole angle? This whole angle is 75. So if this is 75, this is 45, this whole angle is 60 degree. Because in the triangle sum of the angles is 180 degree. So we can easily find this angle as 60 degree. Because this angle C is 75 and this is 45. So this is 60 degree. We can easily find out. Now in the problem you see it is also given that this angle CAD is equal to the angle HAD. So this angle is equal to this angle. So now we know the whole angle as 60 degree. So this whole angle is 60 degree we know. So if both are angles equal, then it will equal to 30 degree, and this will also equal to 30 degree. And we can find out this DH value, because we know this AH as x by root 3. So we can find the DH as AH multiplied by tan 30. AH is x by root 3 and tan 30 is also 1 by root 3. So this DH will come as x by 3. Now we know the DH value. Now we know this DH value as x by 3, and this is x by root 3. So now we also know the radius of the circumcircle as 1 centimeter. So we know the sine rule, which is 2 times radius of the circumcircle is AB. AB is this side and the opposite angle is C. So sine of angle C. BC is this side and opposite angle is this A. So sine of angle A, and CA divided by sine of angle B. CA is this side and opposite angle is this B. So now you took these two things. So you can write 2 times 1. R is the radius of the circumcircle, and this is angle C, and this is AB. So now we can write AB as this AH plus HB. AH value is x by root 3 and this value is x. So it will become like x plus x by root 3, which is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 divided by x. So this is the AB value. So AB value I put like root 3 plus 1 times x divided by root 3. And this angle we know, this angle is, this is 45, this is 30, so the total angle we know it is 75. So in the denominator it will become like sine of 75, and here it is 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So from here you can calculate the sine for 75 as sine 45 plus 30. So you can apply sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So sine 45 and cos 30 and cos 45 and sine 30. So it will become like root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So now you also know the sine 75 value. So you can put sine 75 value here, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this root 3 plus 1 and this root 3 plus 1 cancels. This 2 rows, root 2 will go to upper side, and here it is x, and here it is root 3, and here it is 2. So this 2 and 2 cancel, and x value will come as root 3 by root 2. So you can apply by root 2 in the numerator and denominator. So this will become as root 6, and in the denominator we have 2. So this is the value of x. Now we know the value of x, we can calculate the area of the triangle is half times this dh multiplied by this bh. Bh we know has a value of x, and dh we know has a value of x by 3. Just we calculated previously. So this is x by 3 times x, which is x square by 6. X we calculated as root 6 by 2. So it will become like 6 divided by 4 multiplied by 6. So this 6 and 6 cancel, and the triangle area will come as 1 by 4 centimeter square. So in this way we can find out the area of the triangle.